Okay, in the Volvo XC60, we're gonna launch it. We're in hybrid mode. Let's go. The Volvo XC60 T8 Recharge is a luxurious SUV that has a hybrid powertrain. It has a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine and an electric motor powered by an 18.1 kilowatt-hour battery. Power outputs are rated at 340 kilowatts and 709 newton meters of torque to all four wheels. It is very powerful, very responsive, and it's good for city driving, I would say. The electric motor is capable and battery is capable of producing up to 80 kilowatts of range, and together with the electric motor, with the petrol motor, you'll get about 400, close to 500, say 470, 480 range when it's fully pumped up with fuel and fully charged up. The vehicle has a mode the vehicle can charge the battery like any electric motor, so that happens when you're braking. There's also a drive mode that does automatic braking, which I like in electric vehicles, but not so much in this hybrid model. It rides on 21-inch alloys in this top spec model, and it also has air suspension, which is very comfortable. There's various drive modes which you can switch through to change between using hybrid mode, petrol only, or electric only mode. The vehicle is capable of launching from 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds, and that's very quick, but it's quite a heavy vehicle, so it's over 2 tons, so it does hinder that in that way. Okay, so let's launch the Volvo XC60 T8 Recharge. It's an unused road over here. Let's just check the driving modes. Okay, never mind that. We're in hybrid mode. Driving, we are in hybrid mode, auto mode. Let's put it in drive. 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. That's what Volvo claims. Let's go. Slam on the brakes. Nice stopping power. So when you switch to the various drive modes, you can feel the engine being used or not. Like now in power, you can hold in charge mode, pure mode, hybrid. Pricing for the top spec Volvo XC60 T8 Recharge is 1.3 million rand, and you are getting a lot of vehicle. It has a Bowers and Wilkins sound system, which is the best sound system you're gonna get. This is the start button over here. You twist it while your foot is on the brake. When the vehicle starts, it will be in hybrid and auto battery usage mode. That's a default mode. You can put it in power. It enhances steering and suspension feedback and optimizes power for sportier driving. In the hybrid mode, acceleration, driving dynamics, and fuel consumption are optimized for efficiency during all types of daily driving. In power, it enhances steering and suspension feedback and optimizes power for sportier driving. Pure mode, it offers pure electric driving experience using only the car's battery and the electric motor. Off-road mode, for low-speed driving in rough terrain, increased steering sensitivity and all activities, hill descent control, and the suspension raise now. Constant all-wheel drive optimizes power to all four wheels, and constant traction is needed, and you'll be higher consumption. But let's just leave it there, and then you can also put it in hold or to charge. It has Apple CarPlay, YouTube, Maps, and it's a built-in navigation system. I like that. And the 360 camera is extremely clear. Can't move it around.